Okay, calculator inactive part questions 1 and 2, graphing linear equations. So I've got a linear equation in slope intercept form, my y-intercept and my slope. So my slope is 1 over 3, rise over run. It's a good way to graph if you have it in slope intercept form. And the y-intercept is at 4. So I'm going to go over to my y-intercept, 0, 4, y-intercept, y-axis, right? Where it crosses the y-axis. My slope is 1/3, so from this point, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. I can go down 1 and left 3 if I want. It's the same result, right? Remember, we're always going to the right with slope. The question is, do we go up or down? When it's positive, we go up. When the slope is negative, we go down from left to right. Now I'm just going to put my line up there. So there's my line. I might want to just test another point to check and make sure that I am doing okay. So I'm going to try this point here, and the reason is that's 6, and I've got the 1/3 up there, and so that those numbers will make it easy. So the question is, let's see, it's 6. Oh, 6 equal 1/3 times 6 plus 4. 1/3 of 6 is 2, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. I'm good. Next one requires a little more work because it's not in slope-intercept form. It's not exactly standard form either, since it's got a common factor 2, 6, and 12. So it's not officially standard form, but it's a lot like standard form. Regardless of that, we're going to graph it, and I'm going to do it by finding my zeros. I'm going to put 0 in for x and see what I get for y, and I'm going to put 0 in for y and see what I get for x. Those would be my intercepts, my y-intercept here and my x-intercept along here. So let's just substitute in. If I put 0 in for x, I get 2 times 0 minus 6y equals 12. So minus 6y equals 12 because 2 times 0 is 0. Divide by negative 6, and I get y equals negative 2. So when x is 0, y is negative 2. Right there. Now I'm going to do my x-intercept, so put 0 in for y, and that's going to be 2 times x minus 6 times 0 equals 12. So 2x equals 12. Again, the zeros go. And divide, and I got x equals 6. So when x is 6, y is 0. Whoops. Okay, and so those are my intercepts there. Now I'm going to graph it. So I've got the line drawn. You didn't need to really watch me draw that. Just draw a line that connects the 2 points. Okay, and then it'd be a good idea to check a point. So let's take a look. How about right here? Whoops. See what that point is. That point has the coordinates over, let's see, over 3, down 1. So it's point 3, negative 1. That should be a solution to my equation. So we're just going to test it real quick. Put in 3, 2 times 3, minus 6 times negative 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times negative 1 is going to be negative 6, so it's minus negative 6, so 6 plus 6 is 12. 12, 12. Good. That's the solution. There we go. That's the graphing.